Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to scale object in Autodesk 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, as you can see here, we have these boxes and heli right here. So let's just go ahead and test this box out. Now to scale, you have the scale tool, which is by pressing R or just by clicking on this icon right here. Besides select and rotate. Okay, so press R, and then at the bottom left, you'll be able to see if it's a squash mode, scale uniformly, or non-uniformly. So let's go ahead and try uniformly. Okay, so I want to go ahead and use the triangle right here. By dragging this center triangle, it will scale uniformly. Let's say click and hold, drag at the top, drag at the bottom. At the top, we'll make it bigger, bottom will make it smaller. Now, another option, these axes right here, okay? When you go ahead and drag these axes, it will allow a non-uniform scaling. Let's say the y-axis right here, as you can see here, it makes it longer, z taller, x wider. Okay? That's another scaling method. Or, if you want to be more specific, you can go ahead and use these numbers right here at the very bottom. Let's say you press the R again, R, okay? Non-uniformly or squashed. Let's go ahead and select non-uniform. Maybe let's change the x-axis to 100. Yeah, there you go. This one would be 500, the y-axis, and 200. All right, there you go. Now, if you're trying to scale a sub-object, well, just go ahead and apply and edit poly modifier. Just basically select the components one by one. It could be vertices, edges, faces, and just scale them. Okay, we're just using these tools right here. All right. Now, if you want to rescale world units, okay, it's quite easy. All you got to do is just go ahead over to the top, click on utilities. Okay. From here, utilities, click on more and find rescale world units. Click on OK. And then after that, you will have rescale right here. So just click on it. Instead of selection, just go ahead and select scene. Scale factor is what? 10. If you keep it to 1, it will just keep the object size as is, or the scene size as is. Okay? So if you select maybe 10 times, and then click on OK, it will expand 10 times bigger. As you can see here, that's basically it. That's how simple it is to scale objects here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.